The forest wives, doubt sacrifice. My stomach will burst with laughter. Me tears in my eyes, smile on my face. My wife's anger is such that if she keeps quiet, the forest becomes silent. One day I went to a friend's house, returned half an hour late. My wife opened the door and said, "Have you seen the watch?" I said, "No." She said, "Is your watch also spending time with someone else now?" I said, "What?" She said, "You keep quiet, I know everything." Then she sat quietly and watched TV. When I said something, she said, and looked at me with a smile. "Only water for dinner," she said. "I'm on a diet today. A diet is my punishment. Now when I go out, I write on the tree, I went to get fruit, alone." But she still said, "You went to see flowers, not fruits." Everyone laughs and eats loot under the tree. I am a donkey with a smile on my face. My wife suspects me. I think I am a lover donkey. One day, I was going to the forest. On the way, a parrot suddenly said, "Hi donkey." My wife heard it and said, "Why does the parrot say hi to you? Do you already have a relationship with him?" I said, "That bird, it knows how to talk." She said, "Huh. You must have taught it." And when she gets angry, she doesn't talk, she sits quietly with her mouth puffed up for 3 days. I ask, "What happened?" She says, "You know." I say, "I don't know anything." She says, "Well, I would be happy if I knew." It's such a situation that now I even suspect my own shadow. Will my wife see it? My wife is so angry that not even the leaves of the tree move when I enter the house. Now, before entering the house, I say, "Maharaja, do you have permission?" I am a fox. My wife can open such a university as I suspect. One day I went to the market, a woman was selling wildflowers. I bought the flower. On my return, the wife stood at the door and asked, "Who gave you this flower?" I said, "I bought it." She said, "Are you the brand ambassador of the flower shop now?" Then she turned her face away and remained silent all night. I said, "Are you angry?" She said, "No." I said, "Then talk." She said, I'm not talking." One day she dreamed that I was laughing with another fox. In the morning we woke up and started arguing. Tell me, there is no peace even in dreams. Now before I go to sleep, I say, I will be alone in my dreams today, I swear. Yet in the morning she asks, "Who did you meet last night?" I am an elephant. Her voice is serious, but my eyes are smiling. My wife gets so angry that the leaves of the trees dry up. One day I went to a forest meeting, and on my way back I was a little late. As soon as I entered the house, he asked, "Where were you?" I said, "At the meeting." He said, "At the meeting or at the cinema?" I said, "What are you talking about?" He said, "When you went to the meeting, I sneezed, you were thinking about someone else." I said, "Hey wife, if you sneeze, take medicine." He said, "No medicine, you are bad." When he got angry, he kept quiet for 3 days, then suddenly said, "My life is in vain." I said, "Tell me what I did." He said, "You know yourself." With such an angry wife, even an elephant is afraid to chew grass. Now, before I go to the forest meeting, I make a video call on my phone to prove it. I am a royal tiger, a look of disappointment on my face. My wife's suspicions are so great, even the royal court is ashamed. One day I was fishing in the river, and a monkey was sitting next to me. Suddenly my wife came and said, "Who is this monkey? Your new friend?" I said, "No, it was giving pulses for the fish." He said, "You are hanging on the branch." Then I kept quiet for 2 days. I said, Would you like to have tea? He said, no. I said, I am going to the forest. He said, go to the one who gives you happiness. I said, you are my happiness. He said, lies. The anger is so deep that even the hyenas in the forest run away in fear. Now, when I go out, I tell the forest dwellers, the tiger will return, but you will not hear. Even if I am a king, I am a cat in front of my wife. Finally, brother, there is no peace in our family. A wife is a guardian of suspicion. We now report even our own shadows. And now only question notifications on the phone. We just want one day, one evening without silence.